Right in the heart of Hyde Park, you can find a beloved diner, Goody Goody, and it's been in Tampa since 1925. And they're known for their beloved hamburgers, delicious hand-spun milkshakes, tasty pies, and pancakes the size of your head.
Goody Goody was known as the original drive-in burger place that was in Tampa. Imagine when you used to be able to drive in with your car, they would put the tray on your window. I believe the girls actually used to wear roller skates, which is super neat. So it's something that's been a part of Tampa, and that I was so grateful my father was able to bring it back. When my father was recreating Goody Goody, it was very important to him that he kept that old diner feel. He wants to make you feel like you stepped into yesteryear. And so where a lot of people originally said green and yellow, checkered floors, it gives you that true old Tampa feeling that people, I think, yearn for today. So if you're coming to Goody Goody for breakfast, you almost have to try our pancake, which is larger than your head. We also have a banana foster pancake, which is delicious with a decadent syrup that goes with it. If you're coming for lunch, I don't think you can miss out on the burger or a milkshake, and you definitely have to try our homemade baked pies. When we were trying to figure out where we were going to put Goody Goody, Hyde Park seemed like a natural fit. It has that small town feeling. People can come for lunch, they can walk around Hyde Park, visit all of the beautiful shops, or in the evening as well. You can make it just a meal, or you can make a day of it.